You know you can make money on Airbnb without renting or owning a property? Yes, you heard it right. Follow these 5 simple steps and you'll be on your way of earning a steady income. Let's get started. The first step is to understand the rule and regulation for your Airbnb in your city. Airbnb is available almost everywhere, but each city has its own specific rule that you need to follow. Here is how you find this information. 1. Open your browser and go to your Google. You need to type Airbnb regulation in your city. For example, if you're in Dubai, type Airbnb regulation Dubai. Read the regulation carefully to make sure you comply with all the rules. Understanding this regulation is crucial to avoid any legal issue down the road. So make sure you are well informed. Step number 2 is to search the property. Once you know the rules, it's time to search the property. If you're in Dubai, you can use websites like Property Finder, Dubizzle or Bayut. And for other regions, find similar property website. Here is how to find it. Go to website like Property Finder, Dubizzle or Bayut, and then you navigate the housing or property rental section. Filter for furnished properties because you don't want to have a property that is not furnished. It's easier to start with furnished properties, so select the option with furnished properties. Set your price range. For me, I always look for properties in the price range of 30,000 to 40,000 per year. Adjust it according to your budget and your local market. Then apply filters, click apply and search to see the listings. Step number 3, analyze the listings. Now that you have a list of potential properties, it's time to analyze them. Here is what you should do. Check posting date. Look at when the property was posted. For example, if it was posted 20 days ago, it means the landlord hasn't been able to rent it almost for a month. Calculate the potential losses. You need to understand that every day the property is not rented, the landlord is losing money. This is your opportunity. Step number 4, you approach the landlord with a proposal. Now comes the most important part, approaching the landlord with your proposal. Here is how you should do it. Write a professional and polite message to the landlord. Here is an example script. Dear landlord, I noticed that your property has been on the market for about 20 days. During this time, you've been losing potential rental income. I have a solution that can help you. I propose renting your property on a daily basis through Airbnb platform. This can potentially double your yearly income compared to long-term rental. Let's discuss this opportunity further. You should highlight the benefits to the landlord. Explain how daily income can increase the rental income and reduce the time the property is vacant. Be ready to negotiate. Be prepared to discuss terms and address any concern the landlord may have. Step number 5, list the property on Airbnb. Once the landlord agreed, it's time to list the property on Airbnb. Here is how you should do it. Create an Airbnb account. If you don't already have one, create an account on Airbnb. Make sure to follow Airbnb guidelines for listing properties. Provide all the details, high quality photo and compelling description. Set a competitive price. Research similar listings in your area to set a competitive price. Also, you have to consider giving a discount to the first guest to attract more booking. Manage booking and review. Stay responsive to booking inquiries and manage your calendar effectively. Also encourage your guests to leave a positive review for your reputation. In conclusion, 1. Understand the rule and regulation of your city. 2. Search furnished property within your budget. 3. Analyze the listing and identify opportunities. 4. Approach landlord with compelling proposal. 5. List your property and start earning. If you find this video helpful, give it a like and please subscribe to my channel for more tips. And if you have further questions or need more assistance, check the description for a link to my detailed training. Thank you for watching and good luck with your Airbnb journey.